Secondly, also to thank him, because I remember on the 27th of September last year, the resident associations, we were in his office when we discussed with him about the issue of the barrels. And I want to, first of all, to thank him, because some of the things that we proposed to him, I can see that he has put in this document. Number one, which I wanted to talk about, is that the management of these barrels at the where they are, the key participants, the key decision makers should be the resident associations in that area. And this was very clear in our memoranda to the governor, and when he says that the resident association shall sit here, I stand before all of us here to say this should not be just something which is written on this paper. We want to see it happening. For example, when we have the planning department, we have the health department, we have education and all that. We would like to see representatives from the residents associations sitting in those boards, because these are the people who are on the grassroots, dealing with humanity day in, day out. These are the people who are seeing whenever there is there's no water, sewer problems and all that. This is the resident association who are affected. And actually these barrels are coming to serve those resident citizens who are within these resident associations. So I wanted to really emphasize that this issue of resident association being members of the boards running the barrels should not be just something on paper. It is something that to us must take place, and we must see that happening so that all of us can be able to benefit from this great idea that Mheshimiwa Governor came with. Number 2 point is that the county facilities, public facilities within those barrels, they are being managed by people. For example, here we have Mama Lucy Hospital and others. We would like to request that as we get to the barrels, these county facilities management boards, the resident associations must sit in those boards. This is because this, as I've said, these are the people who are on the ground and they know what is happening with the people on the ground. So we'd like to request that, please, as we take these views of us here, that we should not have, for example, Mama Lucy being run by a board of management which is comprised of people we don't know where they are coming from. Likewise with the schools which are here, with any other county government public facilities within this borough, we want to see full participation in those decision making coming from the people on the ground, and that's in the resident associations. Third point is about employment. Whenever a vacancy occurs and employment is to happen, somebody is to be employed for whichever position, there's what we call internal job advertisement. So my appeal would be that before somebody is employed for whatever other boroughs and all that kind of thing, the borough, for example, Eastern Borough, we should be able to look for those qualities and the qualifications within that borough so that we have our person being employed there. As opposed to, there's a vacancy, for example, for a manager in whichever department or for whatever it is, and then we only sit and see somebody applying for the job, the person is employed from another borough or even from another county, and being brought here to manage jobs which our people here could be able to do. So I would request that first of all there be an internal job advertisement within that borough to look for those qualifications within that borough. And if they are not found, then now we can go to external and look for those qualifications if they are not within. My other